This is how we build our HS locking banana cable assemblies using Canary 4S11 quad cable. We combine two of the conductors, which are each 14 gauge, to give you actually an 11 gauge equivalent speaker wire. We use WBT gold copper crimp ferrules, and they're crimped on there for a gas tight crimping, which is far superior to using just a stranded wire in the banana connector. Next, we place the shrink tubing over it and install a copper alloy gold plated banana connector. The banana connector has dual set screws, which gives you a nice connection and is redundant and less vibration proof. We're tightening both of the set screws. Bringing up the collar. The collar actually is the device that sends the pin down the center of the conductor and locks the banana in, again making it vibration proof. We next install a shrink tubing over it for both color coding and to give you some protection and insulation at the end of the connector when you're using them in tight quarters.